Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. We're going to start on our sauce for our stir fry. And what we have is a half a cup of water, a half a cup of soy sauce, less sodium, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, quarter teaspoon of ginger, 1 crushed bouillon cube, which is the chicken, spices, and herb. I'm going to heat this in a microwave for 1 minute, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, and that's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, and I'm going to whisk this all together. Okay, so in my skillet to the right, I have 3 packs of ramen noodles with the seasoning. I chose to get the creamy chicken, but you can use shrimp or whichever one you want. I'm going to add about 3 cups of water to this. You can't put too much because we're just going to bring them to a boil. We don't want to, and boil them for a minute. We don't want to cook them until they are soft. I'm going to add my shrimp to my middle skillet. I added 3 cups of water. That's in my skillet to the left. To the right, I have my shrimp that I'm going to saute, and in the middle, we're going to have our veggies. So to my shrimp, I'm going to add some olive oil, seasoning, some granulated garlic, and some onion powder. Okay, so we'll let those simmer and start on our vegetables. Add a little olive oil to those. We're going to let these simmer and cook down until they're nice and tender. So I think our pasta has come to a good boil. So I'm going to turn those off. Make sure they're covered with the seasoning. And go ahead and strain the water off because we don't want them to cook until they're too soft. Okay, so now I'm going to remove my shrimp and add my chicken. Add some butter. There's so much seasoning in this skillet, I'm not even going to add seasoning. I'm just going to mix it around in this seasoned skillet with the butter. I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce to my vegetables because they look nice and tender. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat off of my vegetables until my chicken is ready. our chicken, I'm going to go ahead and add our pasta. I got all that good sauce. We're going to coat our pasta with that. Now we'll add our shrimp. Why not? That juice looks so delicious. Why not? Our chicken is officially ready. We'll go ahead and add that to the stir fry. And that's it. Doesn't this look delicious? We have our pasta, we have chicken, we have shrimp, mushrooms and broccoli, carrots. We have all of these. We have zucchini. And this is our stir fry. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.